Claude just forgot your entire architecture. 500 messages in, you mentioned the auth middleware. Claude goes, what auth middleware? The one you explained 3 hours ago. Gone, that was 200k tokens. This is 1 million. Let's talk about what happens at 200k tokens. First 50 messages, perfect. Claude knows your stack, remembers your files, recalls that weird legacy API you explained 20 minutes ago. Message 100, cracks start showing. Claude rereads files it already saw, suggests imports that don't exist. Message 200, full amnesia. Claude is writing code from a completely different project. You're pair programming with a goldfish. Context drift, no warning, no error, just subtly wrong code that passes a vibe check but fails a compile. And the fix, restart, lose everything, Groundhog Day but with TypeScript. Anthropic just shipped 1 million tokens, Opus 4.6 and Sonnet 4.6, not a preview, generally available. 1 million tokens, that's about 40,000 lines of code. Your entire startup fits in one conversation. But a bigger window means nothing if the model can't retrieve from it. Size isn't the flex, retrieval quality is. MRCR v2, they hide 8 pieces of information across the full context. The model has to find all of them. Crank it to 1 million tokens. Opus 4.6 finds 78%, GPT 5.4 finds 36, Gemini drops to 25. 78 versus 36, that's not marginal. That's the difference between a model that works at scale and one that pretends to. Real codebase, 38 files, 4 modules. I asked Claude to refactor billing for a new payment provider. First few files, flawless, but by the notification system, Claude started inventing things, imported a function that doesn't exist, wrong field names, forgot we use Stripe. I asked what payment provider are we using? It said PayPal, we've never used PayPal, context drift. The information was there, Claude just couldn't reach it. Same codebase, same task, 1 million tokens. I loaded everything, all 38 files plus Git history, migration plan, and API docs. 300,000 tokens before writing a single line. 800,000 tokens in, I asked about a type from the very first file. It quoted it back, verbatim, correct interface, correct fields, correct import path. 14 files refactored, 3 modules, every import correct, I didn't restart once. That's not a bigger window, that's a different workflow. What does this unlock? Entire monorepo analysis, load your whole codebase, ask questions that account for all interconnections. Marathon debugging, follow a bug across 12 files without losing the thread. Full project refactors in one shot, change a core abstraction, update every consumer, every test, every type. And the big one, fewer restarts. The number one time killer isn't slow generation, it's re-explaining context. At 1 million tokens, you restart less, ship more. Context windows used to be the bottleneck. That tax just dropped by 5x. 78% retrieval at 1 million tokens. While the competition is in the 30s,